Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2014 Infiniti QX60. This is based off of the Nissan Pathfinder, which I just reviewed last week. Really pretty vehicle. I've always had a soft spot for Infiniti. For those who don't know, Infiniti is Nissan's luxury brand. It's essentially Toyota's Lexus. Interior is a huge step up from the Pathfinder. Really nice wood grain trim. Beautiful leather wrapped seats. That's the rear one. Sunglasses holder. You do have screens in the back of the rear seats, and this car also comes with Infiniti's headphones. Really nice. So let's go ahead and head out on the road. Bunch of different modes. You have snow mode, eco, standard, and we're gonna keep it in sport. Has a 3.5 liter V6 under the hood, producing right about 300 horsepower. So a really good amount of power from this. Mated to the V6 is a CVT transmission with a very decent tuning on it. It does change modes based on what driving mode you're in, of course, and it does have a dedicated manual mode. I personally love the feel of the vehicle. Very luxurious, while also being pretty sporty too. In the pedal, it has a very European feature that just now is coming to America, and that is the kickdown pedal. So you have full throttle and then you have a little notch. So if you stomp on it, you'll feel it. Or if you're full throttle and press a little bit harder, that's kickdown mode. So the transmission drops into the lowest possible gear for optimal power. So right here is full acceleration. And that's what kickdown does. What's funny is I have driven some manual vehicles with that kick down pedal, and I'm like, I don't really get why it's there, but it might be platform differences and stuff like that, where they just put it in every single transmission. But if you ever drive a car and you feel, if you push the pedal all the way down, you feel a little bit of a notch, that's what it's for. In eco mode, throttle response is reduced greatly in order to maximize fuel economy. Not as much as snow mode though. Snow mode really smoothens out your inputs, which is perfect for the snow. That's what you desire, and that's why people wreck their cars all the time, is because they just stomp on it in the snow, and it's like, you're stupid. That's how you crash. For those of you curious to what this horn sounds like, there you go. Now onto the back road. Handling is really good for an SUV. Sport mode definitely tightens everything up. Oh yeah, sport mode makes a huge difference. Brake pedal feels great. Not very grabby at the initial pedal, but the more you push, the more it bites, and it feels great. Heading on to our suspension test. So far, I think that's probably the smoothest ride over the bumps. And just for giggles, I'll give you guys an impression of a panic stop. So we're doing 35 right here. And I've never had the seatbelt tighten that much. But the brakes are phenomenal in this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.